I have soaked the urad dal after washing it, and will let it soak for 4 to 6 hours, and then we'll grind it. So I have soaked this for 5 hours, and now we'll grind it. And if you are not Jain, then you can put ginger, green chilies and all. Since I'm preparing for Pajushan, I'll be adding just black pepper and jeera into it. So I washed it nicely, and in this I am adding the urad dal. We'll add salt, jeera powder, black pepper. We'll add little water and put for grinding. So I have grinded this. Little coarse only will grind. So this is the consistency. Meanwhile, I'll finish it and put the oil for heating. We'll put another batch. Since I've added more masala, I won't be adding this in it. Meanwhile, I'll keep the oil for heating. And grinding other things. So for preparing, so this is the batter which is prepared. Okay, this is the consistency. Okay. So this is the batter. For making Medu Vada, I have taken water in a container. I will just dip my fingers in water and then take some batter in hands. Just roll this. Okay, so it will be like smooth one. And then while placing it in the oil, I will just put my thumb in so it will get the shape. First we'll check the oil. What I usually prepare is not in the shape of the Medu Vada. So it's coming slowly up. As you can see, it's coming slowly up. So we'll test again. And then you can see the bubble. This is coming up slowly. So now I'll wet my hands. I'll take one vada, make it a circle. When it is smooth, just press it here and place it. By wetting the hand, it will be easy to handle. So it is important to wet your hands. And then press this way and then just place it. Press and place. this is just to show you that I have done it. Otherwise we prepared like how in dahi vada only the circle. With the spoon I will just drop in. So we'll just check for the vadas. You can see the shape. When it is fresh, it is of light color only. So you can see the Medu Vada. Now when you get in the market, it is dark in color because they grind it and store it and then prepare it for you. So we have just grinded and directly fried it, so it won't get that dark color. So that is also an indication how fresh your Medu Vadas are. So as I said earlier, it won't get dark. So we are done with this. It will be very crunchy as we have freshly and coarsely prepared it. We have not added much water. That is the only technique to get crunchy medu vadas. I'll show you the another method in which you just need to mix it well and take it with a spoon and just drop it into the oil. No need to make any shape or dip your hands in water. So I prefer making this type of vadas as my family has nothing to do with the shape. So you can try this also. You can drop as per your size. If you want small, you can drop small quantity. If you want big, you can drop big quantity. While putting it, you can keep the oil in the medium or to low flame. Now my oil is heated a lot, so it will be very fast. See the fresh medu. Now you can see this method is faster and easier also, and there is no need to worry about the shape. You can enjoy this way also. Is ready, Jain Medu Vada. As it is the Pajushan time, you can just have it with coconut chutney or just groundnut chutney, dried groundnut chutney. If preparing regularly, you can have it with sambar. You can add green chili, curry leaves in it. You can also add ginger into it, and you can see different shape also is the like crunchy and tastier. So my vadas are ready. This is Medu Vada shape, and this is like how I dropped it with the spoon. So you both are equally tasty. So you can enjoy anytime. For this you need to wet your hand and then only make it into shape, and with the finger you can make hole, and for the other one you can directly take it from the grinder and fry it.